That's the main point of why we're doing this. We're not doing this for fun, for Instagram and all that. We have to make money in our private spaces, right? So if I click here on see the results of 12 months of trading synthetic indices. Can we actually make money by just trading without selling signals, selling mentorships and all those funny things? Let's quickly look at the report. Right here I still have a little bit of money left, which is about just a little bit, maybe 20 grand in rands, somewhere there. Can still continue trading from this particular balance right there, right as we begin the year. Let me quickly look at the reports, and we're gonna go through the statement just to show the past 12 months withdrawals. If I come right here, let's quickly look at let's see, maybe here, let's quickly look at the withdrawals. We're gonna filter this out to only focus on withdrawals. That's the main point of why we're doing this. We're not doing this for fun, for Instagram and all that. We have to make money in our private spaces, right? So if I click here on this beginning, let's go to January right there, January 1st, so that we can get the entire data for the past 12 months, and then click on set, and then come here, come to December 31st right here. Okay, there we go. And then we can go ahead and click OK right here. Let me just click OK, click OK. Then we can see this data is for this to that. Okay, so I can scroll down to the beginning of the year, and I want you to look at the pattern of how I actually withdraw. You can see the first withdrawal right there is on the second. Let's see if we can highlight that, the period. Just also check the transaction time right here. You can see the period right there. It is right there. Okay, $61. That was the first withdrawal. 2 days later, we made another $65 right there. And then a couple of days later, we made another withdrawal. And you can see the consistency of how we're actually trading and withdrawing. That is exactly why we trade at the end of the day. We're not trading for show, for Instagram and all that. So 500 USD in a couple of days plus maybe 10 days or so. And then we are good to go. Depending on how you've structured your lifestyle, I believe you're a real human being with real bills. This might be enough. This might help you go through whatever in a week plus. If you've made that, I mean, maybe it pays the electricity for your house, maybe it pays the bond for your house, depending on where you live, of course. But I believe most of my audience are coming from Nigeria, South Africa, Botswana and all that. Shout out, let me know in the comment section where you're coming from or where you're watching this video from. I'm gonna share the strategy on how I did this. Mostly it was on 30 minutes, and each one I will actually give you guys the indicator. Check the link in the description. The indicator is free. The indicator that I used here mostly to trade synthetics, it's free. You can download it straight away. So you can see my withdrawals 1,136 going forward there, and we're gonna combine we're gonna combine all these particular withdrawals right there. 500, you can see. So you have to be kind to yourself. You can't always withdraw a lot of money. Just be kind. The consistency is key. $1,000 there. We have 147. We have 44. We have $600. So you can see we also withdraw small, withdraw big, withdraw small, as you can see. Okay. Because if you get used to withdrawing big, when the market is not giving you what you want, you're gonna put pressure on yourself, end up blowing. $92 there, withdrawn. And if you look below the red withdrawal, it says 00 there, because sometimes we withdraw all the money, then we transfer the money from the trading account to here. That's why the balance changes from 00 sometimes. So that money that you saw on top there, up, the green one, up there, is the balance right now, right? So if I withdraw all of it, it's gonna be 00. Then I can transfer the money remaining on my trading accounts. That's not the balance for the trading accounts. It's just the balance on the terminal that is ready to be withdrawn right now. Okay, so continuing as I scroll up, I know this might be boring, but I just want to show you the realistic way of my withdrawal patterns. Okay, remember, I don't sell signals, I don't sell courses, I don't sell mentorships. So this is purely me trading the synthetic indices in my coin. Alright, so continuing right there, 174. There we go. We have 64. Okay, so if maybe let's say I take these 3 withdrawals, let's say maybe we look at that, we look at this withdrawal right here, this one, and then we look at this one again, and then we look at this one. So these 3 are most likely to give us somewhere around 1.1.3. And look at the transaction time, you can see that's within the same month. Let's say maybe if you to make 3 withdrawals in a month, how much estimated at this current rate? Maybe 1,300. If you're in SA, that is almost 20 grand at the current exchange rate. So that is pretty much decent, especially when you have other side hustles and 9 to 5 or whatever that you do, right? So just make sure that you have other stuff that you do, because trading becomes very difficult when you're looking at it only. That is why we end up having people who are scamming people. It's mainly because trading is difficult. It's very difficult, believe me. But when you make money, don't blow it off. Just do other things, create other businesses so that trading becomes easy. You're not going to be super desperate to make money with trading. You will be okay with whatever that you make. And you can see right there, $34, $250, $2,600 right there, you can see. And then we scroll, we still had another one right there. Scroll again, 108. Okay, so this is towards the end of the year. You can see as the withdrawals, they become big. Well, that was in November. So if you go back a little bit on the video, you will see that in November we almost withdrew just a little bit above 100,000 rands. Okay, I don't know in Nigerian nairas how much that is. Yeah, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll just put it on the screen as I record this video, because I know most of you are coming from Nigeria, and you can see it's inside the bank because it went through the credit card, debit card right here. So that's the highest withdrawal that we actually made right there. Okay, that is 3.2. And compounded, if we were to compound all these withdrawals, you see at the end how much we actually made. Maybe you have already seen by the title of this video. So you can see the $2,600, $100, $700. Let's scroll, and then you see that 3,200 right there. So if you combine the November withdrawals, you will see that they were quite high, almost 100,000 rands. Okay, very important, because it was towards end of the year. One needed a little bit of a much bigger withdrawal to get everything going. So this is from one broker. I'm gonna do part 2 showing you the other 2 brokers that I used and combine the overall amount that was made, and you will be shocked. Okay, you will be shocked. Okay, so continuing, you can see and then December we're just withdrawing there for, I don't know for what, maybe for lunch, I don't know what that was for. But the main important goal is for us to do what? It's for us to continue withdrawing. And you can see this balance is right there. It's the same balance that I was explaining, that up there it says 15,034, I mean 1,534, which is 1,534 up there. That is actually the balance left. So you can see here we're withdrawing. As you trade on your MT5 account, you must also transfer the money as you make profit, so that you don't get super excited and blow. So you can see right here the balance was 700 right there before that withdrawal. So this is the balance I'm talking about. This one is ready to be withdrawn. I can withdraw it anytime. So it's 3-1 right now. It's not the MT5 balance, it's not the trading account balance, it's on the terminal. And you can see here before that withdrawal was 700. So where's this extra 158, 145 coming from? It's coming from the trading account being transferred to the main terminal. Okay, just to clear that one. So you trade on the other side, you make money, you transfer, you withdraw. That's the main. You do this thing over and over again. You have seen that pattern. Let me know if this video is somehow giving you hope. I believe you are okay. Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to cover. The total amount withdrawn is this much that we are seeing on the screen. That's for 2022 from this broker alone. Again, I will do another video showing you from the other 2 brokers.